So we're going to look at what programming is, okay? Because it could be kind of confusing. You hear it a lot, but what actually is programming? So programming is simply just telling a computer that you want to do something, okay? So a computer has a different language than you do. So think of yourself when you're a programmer as a translator. So you're translating from human language to computer language and telling it exactly what you want it to do. There are many ways to do this using different computer programming languages. We're going to be focusing on Python, but there's a lot of different ones such as C++, JavaScript, Ruby, Fortran, Swift, a lot of different ones that can do a lot of different things. Python is one of my personal favorites, but remember there are a lot out there, and there's a lot of people use them to do different things. So what does a programmer do? They're the ones that implement tasks via the computer. And like I said, you're going to think of yourself as a translator. How can I translate my own human language into something a computer can understand and implement? Okay? So let's look at an example, okay? I want to be able to give the computer a list of numbers, and then I want it to return a sum of the numbers. We can do it in Python using the following. We can define our numbers as 1.2, 3.4, 5.6, 1.33. We're going to initialize our sum as 0, and then we're going to loop through those numbers, okay? So for every number, we're going to add it to the sum, and we're going to print out that sum. And in that case, if we were to add all the values and numbers, we get 11.53. All right, so just like we said, we first define our list of numbers, hold the sum, and then we could actually check if we were right. Okay, so 1.2 plus 3.4 plus 5.6 plus 1.33, and that gets 11.53. All right, so this is the end of this video, and we're going to start going into Python code.